This court is now in session. We are here to address the matter of the people versus languages A and B. The defendants stand accused of violating the laws of regularity as defined by the Pumping Lemma. Prosecution, state the charges.
Your Honor, we accuse languages A and B of masquerading as regular languages, when in fact they fail to meet the criteria set forth by the Pumping Lemma.
Thank you, prosecution. Language A, you have the floor. Please present your case now.
Your Honor and esteemed member of the jury, language A is innocent of the charges brought against it. We assert that language A adheres to the requirements of the Pumping Lemma. It can be parsed by finite automation and satisfies the condition of regularity. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, language A. Language B, please present your case now. The floor is yours.
Your Honor, members of the jury, language B stands firm on its assertion of regularity. We submit that language B satisfies the conditions stipulated by the Pumping Lemma. It exhibits a predictable pattern and can be recognized by a finite automaton without fail. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard the arguments presented by both the defense and the prosecution. It's now your duty to determine the guilt or innocent or languages A and B based on the evidence provided and the principles of the Pumping Lemma. Please retire to deliberate and return with your verdict.
Actually, I agree. I think language A is regular because the defendant brought a good argument about that they can draw a DFA.
Since we can draw a DFA, right? This language is regular.
I agree. What about language B though?
Let's see. Yeah, let's check that language B follows the Pumping Lemma. So, language B is defined as this, where n is greater or equal than 0. Okay, so we need a number for m. What do we want to try? Let's try number 4. Okay, yeah, let's say m is equal to 4. So then we need a string that has a length greater than 4. I say we use this one. That one is in the language, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now we need x, y, and z. Following the Pumping Lemma. Okay, so the Pumping Lemma, we need x and y to have a length less than 4. So I think we can do just 2 a's, right?
Okay.
And then we can put a and a here, maybe.
Okay.
So then that makes z, b, b, b.
I see.
Right? Okay, so now we need to see if we can pump y.
Okay, let's do 2.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, so if we pump y 2 times, let's see if we get a new string. What's the new string that we get? A, and then we pump these 2 times. And then we add y. Huh. What do you think? I think it looks sus. Yeah.
Doesn't look like that.
Yeah, it's not in the language, right?
Yeah.
I think we know what we have to do.
Members of the jury, have you reached your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor. We, the jury, find language A innocent, but language B is guilty of violating the laws of regularity as defined by the Pumping Lemma.